Want to remove a video from a YouTube playlist? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. First, you will need to open a web browser on your computer and go to youtube.com to access your account. Once you are on YouTube, click on the playlist button from the menu. You will see all the playlists that you made. You need to find the playlist that you want to remove the video. Click on the View Full Playlist. On the playlist page, you will see a list of all the videos included in that collection. Every video has a three-dot menu icon next to it. Click on the three-dot menu next to the video you want to remove. Select Remove from Playlist Name to take it out. And the video will then be instantly removed from that playlist, but it will not be deleted from YouTube itself. And that's how you can remove a video from a YouTube playlist, keeping your collections organized and up to date. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.